Day trader challengers, right? Another video today, right? Just going over what I again know and understand, recapping. I'm still learning from the humble trader. She was looking at just a brief video about her losing some trades. More current video in March. Again, very important. Don't chase your losses. Right? These are the fundamental you can understand. Emotion cannot be trading by emotion. It's trading by a strategy, and you stick to the strategy. That's it. So when you stick to the strategy, you're good. Right? Focus on winning. Right? More than you lose. Okay, and the margin of your winnings are a lot higher than your stop losses. Right? Your stop losses has to be very tight. If it's not going in the direction you're going to, cut it. Right? We don't have time to waste. The money you lose takes a lot more time to gain back. So if you're trying to gain 10%, your stop losses should be less than like 4 or 5. Like sort of gauge of where I'm coming from right now. Right? It has to be that sort of balance. It's a compound. You win at 10. You win 10 trades at 10% versus you win one trade at 100%. Which one gives you more money, right? So that's sort of the mentality. You're compounding. 1.1 times 1.1 times 1.1 times 1.1 times 1.5 times 1.10 times versus 1 and then times 2, right? So that's the sort of the mentality. You're compounding, you get more out of it, right? And it slowly increase and it's more predictable. Small gains are more predictable than bigger gains. It's just saying, oh, I'm going to wait for a stock like Bitcoin and we're going to skyrocket 60 times. Sure, by all means, right? That means you have to have your portfolio diversified with that much cash flow and whatnot, which is very important. Diversifying is the main strategy that you have to make sure you're going with. And you have to be able to follow all these specific positions, right? I mean, looking at it, I'd probably start with 5, maybe going up to 10, but maybe 5 is probably the max. Maybe you can look at one single time. But once you get better, of course, right, you'll be able to just sort of gauge where it's going to be at, and it'll automatically do itself. So that is sort of mentality where it needs to be very on point doing the trading. So minimize loss, maximize profit. Right? I think people I'm still following Tim Sykes, been around for entire raging bull. I'm gonna get into this community and have this mentality of how to trade stocks. So buy low, sell high. The concept is get it for low, sell it for higher. So the sort of mentality there. Now, trading is your short trading time for money, but the skill is worth a lot more money. One trade a day can make you, for example, $100. Right, $100 on a trade or trading, get $100 a day. Right, you're looking at $3,000 a month. Right, that's sort of the goal, right? The minimum goal, right? But we start smaller. That's $100 still pretty significant, right? You'll be trading quite a lot to get to that, or it's quite. You're leveraging something, right? Leveraging, or you are trading. You're leveraging, or you're trading a big amount to be able to gain that, or multiple trades. So now starting off with $10 a day, and then slowly gradually increase 10% a day. That's the focus in terms of the money game. Hold down the skill and just make it bigger and bigger and bigger. Right? $10 a day and earn 10% more every single day. Right? And this slowly increase. I want to be able to profit on my first day when I start doing this. Right? It's about small steady profits. Okay. That's sort of where I'm going with. Okay, we'll keep you guys posted and on a daily basis, and we'll talk soon tomorrow.